Oh, that's ridiculous.
So this is a quick demonstration video to show you how to add students into a contact group, make your own classes, and then also show you how to set up Google Classrooms for any group of students, but probably most likely just for your class. So the first thing you do is I've actually sent everyone an email with your class list. Now those class lists are according to what they were late last year. So there may be some students that need to be added, particularly new students to our system. And obviously there were some names that moved around here, there. So you might have to delete one or two and perhaps add one or two. So I think I sent you all your class lists. So the way you create those groups, you go into contacts actually. And then you're going to new group. Let's call it test group 1. You name it your class, of course. Go down here to test group 1. Now I'm going to add some students. I'm going to click on the more, and you're going to import using the spreadsheet I sent you. So if you're 3 Gold, the 3G spreadsheet will be the one that you use. So you click on import. Wherever you've downloaded and saved it to. So I've got all of your class lists in here. So there we go. So it should look something like this. So if you're 3 Blue, you click on 3 Blue. Excuse me. And then click open, and then import. So I'm not going to do that because I don't want to double up. I've already got those students set up as a group. So I'd import, and then they'd all appear in your new group like this, 3 Blue. So after you've done that, just go through and check and make sure they are the correct students for your class. So if A Dormer, I'm guessing that's Alex Dormer, is not actually in 3 Blue, you could go click on the right box here, and don't want to delete the group. Sorry about that. I want to delete that contact. And once you remove the students that aren't actually in your class, to add the ones that are missing, just click add to 3 Blue, put the whatever the naming is at cgstudents.catholic.edu.au, click add, and then you've got your class groups all set up and ready to go. So you should be able to do that fairly quickly. Once you've got those set up, it'll be easy to add students to a Google Classroom. So let's have a look at that, how this works. So you can access Google Classroom simply by typing Classroom into the URL bar. If you already signed into your Google account, or if I go back into your little app suite up here, even more from Google. If I scroll down here, eventually you'll see the Google Classroom app. Where are we? There it is, Google Classroom. Okay. If you're not signed in, obviously it won't allow you to access that. If you've signed in with your browser using a personal Gmail account, it's going to come up with all types of weird stuff, so you really need to make sure you sign in with your school account. The login screen here might ask you a quick question before you, if it's the first time you've used it, whether or not you're a teacher or a student. Obviously you select teacher. So once you're in this environment, Google Classroom, click on the plus button to create a class. I'm just going to call it Year 6 Test. Create. And without going into the details about how to actually use Classroom, I'm just going to show you how to invite students. So click on Students, click on Invite, and then go to your contacts, and they should be listed there. Now if you've just added that contact group, it might take 5, 10, maybe 15 minutes for it to actually pop up there, so just be patient. So if I wanted to invite all 6 Gold, select them, select all, then invite students. Then students, they get a message in their mailbox saying that you've been invited to this classroom, click on this link. Or if they just sign into Classroom like we did before, it'll pop up here for them. So Year 6 test, if it was a student in my class, there'll be a blue button there that says join. And that's how the students join a Google Classroom. There is another way without inviting, but I do find inviting actually the quickest way. You can create your classroom and you can give students this class code. So for here it's KWL3V6. I can reset that, disable it if I didn't want any more students to join the classroom. But I really think that this feature is actually the easiest way to kind of set it up.